Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about initial value and final value theorem of Z transform. So let us see what is initial value. Initial value tells the value of signal at n equal to 0. That is called initial value of any signal. And what is the meaning of final value? Final value means value of the signal at n equal to infinity. So what we can find from this theorem? We can find from this theorem that without inverse Z transform, without inverse Z transform, we can find initial value and final value of any signal with the help of its Z transform. So what it tells? It tells that initial value theorem, it tells that initial value x0 of any signal will be limit z tends to infinity xz. If we take this limit of xz, then we get initial value of any signal x0. And what final value tells? Final value theorem tells that we can find x infinity with the help of Z transform, where we put, here it is modulus, where we put modulus of Z tends to infinity and we have to multiply xz by this one. From this expression we get final value of any signal. So let us see this theorem by some examples. Let xz of any signal is 1 plus z minus 1 plus 2z minus 2, and we have to find initial value of its corresponding signal. So by this theorem we can know that we can find its initial value without taking inverse Z transform. How we can find? We can find initial value xz by initial value theorem. It tells that we have to take limit of z tends to infinity and it is xz according to question is given that this one equal to limit modulus of z tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by z plus 2 into 1 by z square, and this one if we put z equal to infinity here, then 1 by infinity plus 2 by infinity, and this becomes 1 because we know that 1 by infinity equal to 0. So without taking inverse Z transform we can find initial value of any signal, and it will be in this question x0, initial value of this signal will be 1. So similarly, without taking inverse Z transform we can also find final value of any signal by final value theorem. Let xz of any signal is z plus 2 by z minus 1, and we have to find final value of its corresponding signal, that is we have to find x infinity. Then what we have to take? We have to take its limit modulus of z tends to 1 and z plus 2 by z minus 1, and we have to multiply in this expression 1 minus z to the power minus 1, that is limit modulus of z tends to 1 z plus 2 by z minus 1. This one becomes z minus 1 by z. This get cancel out and it becomes limit of modulus of z tends to 1 z plus 2 by z, and if we put 1 here, then it becomes 1 plus 2 by 1, that is 3 by 1.